we are a restaurant and not a club, as we have been previously accused of being. Number 2, we have a court order in effect since last year that NEMA and all other relevant government officers have refused to comply with, and they have defied constantly to not interfere with operations of Oyster Bay until our case is heard in court.
We are going to fight. We are going to ensure that this matter goes to the relevant authorities. We are going to continue with this case, and in fact we are going to file for contempt because they have gone against the court order. In fact, they have not even responded to the court documents, which means they don't even respect the judiciary. They should have come with their engineers as well to say that this place is noisy. Nobody came. They just came Thursday evening, harassed everybody. People left with bills here, millions of shillings. People did not even have time to pay their bills. They left because they were afraid of being arrested. So we have lost money. Now we are in the verge of losing employees, people who will go back to the streets, and probably their houses will be locked because I don't know what they'll be paid with.
Nituraigua twina ruo ruingi muno makiria riria muraiga ati muratuhingira wĩra ni undu wa inegene, na nitugeretie nginya ungirora guku iguru ni ukuona kwina kiria soundproof ciekiritwo kuo kugiria kugereria thauti ndigathie na guku nja. Riu ni turarigwo uria kuria tugutwara ciana citu na kuria turirutagira ciana citu mutu.